What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, Dattboywild 10. Clark Street Shutdown King, Elite Status, Shawty, man. What's going on, man? Okay, as y'all see, I'm sitting in the SS, man. So, went and got it from the paint shop, man. Cause I changed the entire color of the car. It's no longer black. So, if y'all been following me, been subscribed to the channel, man, y'all pretty much know what color I was going with it. Somewhat. But, no more talk. I'm gonna let y'all see it and tell me what you think of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I love this color. Cause eventually on down the line, I'm gonna get some of that American car craft, where like everything aftermarket they can like do like it's either stainless steel or polished aluminum, and pretty much everything on there can be replaced with chrome.
You know, see, that's what it looked like if we leave the flat clear. To look like the edge of this hood, the outside of the car. It should stay like this right here. We flat clear and leave it flat. Which looks cool. It looks kind of anodized.
I love that.
But I'll save this fender over here.
Okay.
And I'll shoot both ways. I kind of need to anyway to practice on that flat clear and just see what I'll paint this sucker blue and put two different colors on. But see, you can see right here, that's what it'll look like flat. Kind of has that cool look, you know, like.
Oh yeah. Cause even this is kind of cool.
Yeah.
The overspray where it's black but it looks blue. Oh yeah.
We leave it flat. Well, right here where this is new, that's how it'll look right there. Flat clear. Now Robert don't know your color.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Like I said, I just think.
Alright, I'm finna get them on tape and roll them and I'll let them dry tonight.
I mean, that's gonna be the next little issue. Hey, what I think about my old charge and there, but that's later.
Ooh wee wee.
InstantBeatLease.com.
Ooh wee wee. You haters can't see me. One look in your eyes, I can tell you wanna be me. This shit easy. When you hear this song, you gon' say ooh wee wee and put it on repeat. I look sleepy. Blame it on the tree. Rolling back to back till I smoke the whole piece. Ooh wee wee. Ooh wee wee. When you hear this song, you gon' say ooh wee wee. Ooh wee wee. You haters can't see me. One look in your eyes, I can tell you wanna be me. This shit easy. When you hear this song, you gon' say ooh wee wee and put it on repeat. I look sleepy. Blame it on the tree. Rolling back to back till I smoke the whole piece. Ooh wee wee. Ooh wee wee. When you hear this song, you gon' say ooh wee wee. My vocabulary absurd. I use all kind of crazy words. I'm walking like a zombie from all the bars and herbs. You wonder what I mean when I say the shit that I say. My niggas call me TNT, Big Swab, but I say shit like hush boy, feeding ooh wee wee. Go on the hill, salute the king with big pinky. Keep your pinky then throw it in the air. You don't understand the word I'm saying and I don't care. Ooh wee wee what I say when I see something I like. Ooh wee wee what I say when I hit your ass on them dice. I'm smoking on that fruity shit that'll burn your chest. I don't smoke Reggie Miller cause he didn't pass the test. I put that shit to rest. Now I only tree. Roll 'em back to back till I smoke the whole piece. Ooh, wee wee. Ooh, wee wee. When you hear this song, you gon' say, ooh, wee wee. Ooh, wee wee. You haters can't see me. One look in your eyes, I can tell you wanna be me. This shit easy. When you hear this song, you gon' say, ooh, wee wee. And put it on repeat. I look sleepy. Blame it on the tree. Roll 'em back to back till I smoke the whole piece. Ooh, wee wee. Ooh, wee wee. When you hear this song, you gon' say, ooh, wee wee. Ooh, wee wee. White thing sitting on eights. I snatched the top off like Coach Case and toothpaste. I been up on my grizzly, had to get my paper straight. I'm smoking tree, had to take a blunt break. I roll a doobie up, blow smoke in your face. Beef with me, problems I eliminate. I'm trying to fist quick like Bobby every day.
As y'all can see, finally got it painted. Finally got it back from the paint shop. So if you hadn't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, because we got more upgrades coming. So over the next couple of days and a week, I'm gonna be dropping more videos. So yeah, man. Got the boiler exhaust already installed on the car. As y'all can see, the ground effects kit is installed in the car. So next video is coming. I'm gonna be installing the new radio, the new pack kit. Gonna be installing the new SS shadow lights and new 6x9 stuff like that. Then after that, gonna start on the interior. Then after that, maybe some long tube headers. Just more stuff is on the way. I'm trying to finish this car this year, and then I'm gonna get back on my SS. My bad. I'm gonna get back on my box Chevy. Get back on fixing that thing, go getting it right. And again, stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. That's all we got going on for you right now.